Hi, welcome to part 24 of the Bentley build, stage 26, the front suspension support arms. I won't be putting on the radiator or the wheels at this time. I'm going to try and create a good leather effect on the suspension arm gaiters. The parts are cut out and ready for preparation. Smoothed down and ready for painting. Glued onto cocktail sticks to make painting easier. Using my old raggy brush, applied the first matte black number 33 coat, 100%. The next day, a second coat was applied. Later that day, a coat of Revell rubber black number 9 was applied. Added some Molotow Chrome to the visible metal parts. It's funny how it works well on small bits, but acts differently on larger items. There is no difference to the paint used on the demo part, yet it is duller. In my opinion, the Molotow pen works well on small parts, but I cannot get it to work on larger items. Let me know in the comments what you think. Using a fine brush, tidied up the chassis end of the suspension support arms and the leather gaiters, using Humbrol's gloss green number 3 and Revell rubber black number 9. The next day, Humbrol's gloss coat varnish applied. And then later, a final matte coat varnish applied to the leather gaiter. Wait till the morning to dry before I commence fitting. Dulled things down further with Citadel Nuln Oil. Can put in place later today. Fitted the two upper suspension supports to the front wheel hubs. Looks pretty good at the moment. Here are a few more close-ups of how it looks. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. That's the end of this stage. I look forward to seeing you again in part 25. Click the link to see the series from the beginning.